Hello, once again, this is Brother Teacher. I want to encourage you today. I want to edify you, and I want to help you. And through this video, this short video, I'm helping myself too, because I'm speaking to myself, because I can't be a good purveyor of truth if I'm not living it. You follow? So I speak to my shame. I'm a human being in an attempt to help other human beings to live as wholesome of a life as possible and as long of a life as possible. But I use me as an example as well. My question to you now: raise your hand if you're in pain, physical pain. If you have any physical pain anywhere in your body today, right now, raise your hand. If you have physical pain every single day, raise your hand. And do you from time to time have, for example, migraine headaches? Raise your hand. Do you have other types of headaches? Chest pains? Raise your hand. Back pains? Raise your hand. And so on. Whatever type of pain you're having, there's a reason. I cannot help but to just simply state this in the most fundamental way as possible. I'm going to compare us, our human body, to that of a car, briefly, in this analogy. When your car that's functioning seemingly almost perfect and the red engine light comes on, that's an indicator light that something is going wrong within the car, its operational system. When it starts to sputter, that's an indicator that something's going on inside the car's functionality. If you start hearing creaking metal sounds in your suspension system, that's a sign that something's going wrong in that system. The human body is the same. Ideally, we receive, ladies and gentlemen, warning signs that something's going wrong in our body, in our physiology. When you get a headache, it's not for no good reason at all. There is a reason why you have a headache. There's a reason why you have an eye ache, a migraine, a toothache, a backache, a stomach ache, a chest ache, pains in general. There are reasons why. There's a law of nature called cause and effect. There's a cause that brings about an effect, and the effect is the symptom, or the pain, or the problem, the inflammation, and so forth. There's something going on. It is not normal for us to be in pain every single day of our lives. Not even on a regular basis or semi-regular basis. It's not normal. We need to start investigating why we're in pain and try to adjust and or address what's causing the pain. Yes, I'm in pain virtually every day of my life because of arthritis. Itis means inflammation of the joints, wherever those joints might be. I have and I do take actions to try to alleviate and or minimize those pains. And it's an ongoing undertaking. You should be doing the same. Now, we have guilty pleasures as far as our lifestyles are concerned. A lot of times we eat junk food, we eat sugars, we eat processed foods, things that we're not supposed to be having, that are the culprits behind many of our illnesses and ailments and maladies. We need to address these if we want to mitigate those conditions of pain. I'm just telling you. Have you checked yourself out today as opposed to checking into a hospital, letting your doctor or your physician treat your symptoms as opposed to what the cause is? And many of them will never ever address the cause. They're going to cover it up by masking it, putting a band-aid on it with pain medication, something that's going to numb you, but the problem is still there. Until you fix what is causing the problem, you will forever have the problem, and eventually the problem is going to win out over you. I wanted to share those words of wisdom with you today because I want you to live healthy and long. That's really it. So, ladies and gentlemen, don't complain about your situation when you control a great deal of the solution. Until you decide that you want to take care of what's causing your problem in the first place, your problem will never go away. Understand that. And this is not just true with your physical body. It's true with everything. Cause and effect. Are you in pain? You need to sit down and ask yourself the question, what is my lifestyle like? How do I eat? What do I eat? When do I eat? How frequently do I eat these things? What's the nature of the things that I'm putting in and on my body? And also, do I exercise this body that the Creator has given me as it should be? Think on these things. If you need any suggestions, if you have any questions or any comments pertaining to this subject, let us know. Until then, Yahweh loves you, and I love you. Please like, subscribe, and share all of my videos. So long.